In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an image onto a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is either create a new question or go to an existing one. Just go ahead and select it. And then you should notice when you're hovering over the different options that the participants would select, there should be a little picture icon over here on the right side. Select the Add Image button, and then you can import it directly from your computer, your webcam, your photo library, Google Drive, or somewhere else entirely, maybe Google Images if you want to search for it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.